Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is December 5th. We got the markets starting off a little bit lower this morning. Corn down 2.25 cents. Beans down about 3.5. Wheat down 6.25 to end the overnight session. So we'll have to see what kind of momentum we get here today. Now, we've seen the last few days starting off lower, and that momentum certainly shifting as the day moved on. So what's going to happen here today? First, we've seen export sales yesterday support corn and beans. We did have another sale today, 240,000 tons to China of beans. So still finding some good support there as far as the demand side. So, but looking at things as we move forward, trade is still looking at South American weather as being very good. We are seeing some rains moving across the northern half of Argentina and into the south central Brazil, the southern parts of Brazil. So right where they need it, rain right now should be looked at as negative as far as South America's standpoint. But lack of news. Other than that, going to keep things certainly on edge. Now, with the export sales tomorrow looking good, or I should say export sales yesterday that were very good, will we see some spillover buying again today at some lower levels? We know that we've gone up and hit some resistance areas for corn and beans, but if we take those out, it's with the volume being as light as it is, we could see things pushed around very quickly. Something to also remember, typically basis for corn is the best, December 7th. That's this weekend. As we get into next week, we could end up seeing cash grain being moved to the elevator once again. That may put a little hedge pressure on this market as well. USDA is also releasing supply and demand numbers next Wednesday, so got to prepare ourselves for that as we approach that date. But looking at livestock cattle, steadied a little lower right now. Box beef coming in negative. Down 199 for choice. Select down 152. We do have packer break-evens around 157. There was some talks yesterday of increased bids, but really no trade out there other than what we had here earlier this week. So continue watching that for additional trade here today. As far as the hogs, steadied a little bit lower as well, although cutout values were up 166. Still trying to find this low, the seasonal bottom here for these hogs. So we may try to keep things choppy here at least this week as well as we try to find that low. Now, as far as economic news, jobless claims came out today. They were expecting an increase 230,000 jobs. They got an increase at 321. Big increase there. Certainly good as far as the economic front. Stock market right now is up 29. The dollar up 48 cents. So after being down sharply yesterday, the dollar is making new highs today and continuing to surge higher. That's putting pressure on gold and silver. Gold down 14 right now, silver down 22 cents, and keeping some pressure there as well. So give us a call if you guys have questions today. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll talk to you next week.